Ta-da! As you can see, we added a couple upgrades to Jackal here, our giveaway truck. If you haven't already, get entered to win this truck. From now until October 15th, which is 3 weeks away, you guys can get entered to win my 2019 Ram 2500. Got a 6.7 Cummins, fast as hell, it sounds amazing. Got a 6-inch striker lift, powder coated black with gold flake, 26x16 KG1 forged wheels, wrapped in 35 1550 Fury tires. The Laramie Midnight Edition, so it's color match all from the factory. Got Alpha X headlights. The Laramie, so it has full leather interior and the big 5th gen screen and everything that you can expect from a brand new truck. All you have to do to get entered is click the link above or in the description below today to get entered. Super simple. And maybe in 3 weeks we'll be giving you a call telling you to come pick up your new truck. Along with everything I just said, it also has some rock lights. There is only 8 of them and it looks like there's 72, and that's because there's like freaking so many goddamn LEDs. It's not even funny. These are the brightest rock lights I've ever seen. We're at Lifted Truck Nationals. A kid walks up to me and he says, "Hey Gabe, I watch your channel, huge fan. I have a lighting company. I love lights. Lights make everything look like a UFO, and I put lights on every truck." He said, "I can give you some of my rock lights. You can let me know what you think." He said, "You can put them on. If you don't like them, that's it. Take them off and go get whatever brand you want. But if you do like them, let me know, and I'll give you more." So, I'm not like most YouTubers. If I like genuinely don't like a product, I will not be telling anybody about them. These are fucking sick. So these are the rock lights. You can look them up at Excessive Truck Effects. They're the one that makes them. Super cool kid. And he makes rock lights, wheel lights, whole bunch of different kind of lights. We use 8. He gave me 20, so I'm gonna scatter them on all of the trucks that we have sitting over there. Whoever wins this truck will have an absolute freaking spaceship now. Pretty much the 5th gen is 100% done. I did say when we first revealed it that we were gonna do a couple things. We did everything, so now all we gotta do is just wait, call the winner, and get to miss one of the coolest trucks I've ever had the pleasure of building. Everybody always says we don't build trucks, so I'm trying my best to give you guys a little bit more content of us building trucks. So that pretty black thing. In the middle of the night, somebody came over and just snagged my vlog bumpers off my truck, so I don't have any bumpers on it now. They were nice enough to like leave all the hookups for all the lights and everything, so at least they did that. And they also took the rear. I'm not really sure how they did that without me hearing. Maybe I just was in a deep slumber and I didn't hear the 17 impacts were going off in the middle of the night when they took my bumpers. Brian, why the fuck didn't you hear? You live right above where we keep this truck. This will not happen again. I hired 14 security guards that will be on surveillance of this whole property every single day, all day, every day. 2 of them are working right now. Both of their names are Doug. So, because we're missing bumpers, I got some brand new stock bumpers. Stock 2015 style GMC bumpers. They're already color matched, so I don't have to paint anything. They got the little chrome pieces exactly how I wanted and a color match valence.
Damn, bro. Look at my feet.
Lucky enough I was able to find those. We got the color match rear bumper too. Nothing special or anything. Nowadays, I think a lot of builds are over the top. Like everybody does custom bumpers, everybody does custom lighting, blah, 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 blah. I like simple and clean. I think these stock bumpers will look a million times better than the Flog bumpers. Nothing against Flog or anything. They make great bumpers. But the GMC has the dimmest rock lights out of the bunch, so we're gonna throw these wheel lights on it. 5 rows. That's gonna be the biggest wheel light I've ever seen. That shit looks sick. These are 30-inch wheels. It's about a fucking 30-inch wheel light. Ta-da. Spin. No. Spin. Where does this go? We were overthinking it. It was not as hard as we thought.
Yeah, I think that looks a lot better.
That looks a million times better.
Oh, yeah.
Holy shit. Yeah, guys, buy stock bumpers. Unless they're fusion bumpers. Fusion bumpers I do like, but like, for the most part, stock bumpers are in.
That's all that took?
Yep.
Oh, wow.
Not gonna lie, I thought it was gonna be way fucking worse.
Same.
Oh my gosh. That is so much better. You think you're going to be able to clear that, though?
It's all the way down right now.
Oh, you're right.
It's kind of fun.
Yeah.
Building trucks, who knew? I miss this. Like, when I first started, that's all I used to do was headlight installs and like changing up minor shit because I didn't have like the budget to be buying a new Sema truck every video. Wow, nice and pretty. It's almost pointless to do motor upgrades to a big truck because no one's ever gonna see it. Like, I have so many friends with like twin turbo, triple turbo, freaking Sema trucks, and no one ever knows unless you put like a big That's what we should do. A big mirror right under there. So then
they do that now.
If only I knew somebody that could like cut me that. That pussy performance? Mm-hmm. Who's them? Who goes there?
Who that is.
Who that is.
She is back to looking fucking good.
What's like a whole new truck.
Yeah.
Did we just buy a brand new Denali? I thought I had one before, but this wasn't it. I lost that one. I guess the guy that like stole my bumpers in the middle of the night, he actually took the whole truck. This is my new build. This is my new truck, Blackjack. It looks like the old one, except 10 times better. It
looks really
shorter.
good. Yeah, because the
valence.
Yeah.
Everybody told me on Ruby, they were like, why don't you have a valence on it? That's why. Probably would have looked better on Ruby because Ruby's like small. Maybe we'll take the valence off. I don't know.
I like it.
I like it. Small dilemma. It was almost going very smoothly. GMC, my good old buddies at GMC. This bed has to lift up like 2 inches for the bumper to slide into there. So we have two options. Either me and you lift up the bed with our big, strong man powers, and then Abigail, you would have the job of sliding the bumper in, or we cut the top part of the bracket off.
We'll try the bed first.
Abby, can you lift that?
1, 2, 3.
Yes.
All right.
We might actually have a shot, low key. All right, well. Oh. Reenacting excitement. We totally didn't have to film that twice. That looks amazing too. God damn. You know, I didn't even really like this truck. I was kind of getting bored, but now I like it.
Where the fuck my tire go?
Beep, beep, beep. I can't see.
How the fuck does that happen?
You see, when you fucking got a massive cock like me, your wheels and tires weigh like 300 pounds.
All right, be real. Scale 1 to 10. How bad did it scare you?
To be honest, I handled it like so fucking well.
Yeah.
Cause I seen the wheel like to my right, and I'm like, wait, that's my fucking wheel, and it just like fucking.
Yeah, when it did it to me, I literally had a panic attack. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Is the center cap not on it?
Yeah, that's the only thing that I care about.
Oh my god.
Wait, don't touch it. You don't work on trucks. You don't work on trucks. Yeah, you're right. I don't work on my own stuff. I can't touch that.
I cannot believe they just said that. Go home.
And either one of two things is gonna happen. It's gonna roll up perfectly fine, or I'm gonna run over Brian and get my revenge for him crashing my truck.
I don't think that's good.
Is it on the ramp?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, we're gonna keep doing it. It's on the trailer somehow. It's hanging off by like 3 feet, so we'll see if we make it home or not. Hey, you want to see what I got? It's the most expensive pair of shoes I've ever bought. Now, they don't look like much. What are those really, really expensive ones that went viral on YouTube? Air Mags?
Yeah.
Air Max. What were those? Like 13 grand?
They're like 20.
20 grand.
Somewhere around there.
That's cute. Yeah, these cost me like $50,000. To the normal non-shoe enthusiast, these may just look like normal Air Force Ones. And you would be right, but these ones are special. Yesterday, good filmer Brian here, he went to
the Nike store in Broadway.
well, Brian decided to take my 4th gen to go pick up these shoes for me. Thank you, Brian. These are really nice. Like exactly what I wanted. These are like my 13th pair of these shoes. Grabbed the shoes yesterday. Also brought his lady friend. And on the way home at 12 at night, the wheel decided to fall off of my 4th gen. Very horrible sight. Because of that wheel falling off, now we could just replace the hub. I have decided to completely redo all of it. Technically, these shoes cost me upwards of $50,000. Let's assess the damage. I kind of looked at it last night and I made my decision. Oh yeah, it looks even worse in the daytime. You fucking did her there, bud. Wow.
I did
Holy
a pretty good. I don't know
shit.
how.
This is a billet fucking piece of metal. You snapped that clean in half. Yeah, brake caliper. The rotor's still on the wheel. Brake caliper blew into a million pieces. I've never had it blow apart and stay like that. Oh wow. You snapped the bracket of the brake caliper is literally in half. I've jumped this truck and I've never even broken it. In my head, this truck is still never broken in my hands. Fender, it got ka-chowed. The bad fender too? Or is that the other side?
It was the other side.
Fuck. That side got like a little crimp from rubbing. Not as bad as this. Hell yeah. Okay, so that fender's fucked. The cleanest fucking, I was bragging about this bumper at Smoky Mountain actually, that this is like the cleanest fucking factory bumper ever. Oh my, yeah. FCK light bars just fucking hanging on for dear life here. So fender, bumper, not too bad. This side was a little, Brian also rubbed that side, so in my head this fender also had to be replaced. Got into the lift a tiny bit. I guess when the wheel fell off, it hit this shock right here, kind of like what happened to Abby's, and the sway bar too. If we were keeping all this would have to be repowdered, this would have to be repowdered. Tell me exactly what happened.
I'm just driving. I see the wheel on my right side. I'm like, that's a 30. There's no other trucks around me that has 30. And I just fucking dropped to one side. I'm like, okay, we're gonna fucking die.
Don't get it twisted. I honestly don't give a flying fuck about this truck. If Brian or something would have happened to him, probably would have sold everything and then moved back into my grandparents' house and just like got a normal job, honestly. Like, dead ass. You're okay. Trucks can be replaced. You cannot be replaced. So I'm kind of glad. But you could have picked any other truck, bro. Come on.
If it was a Duramax, it would have hurt.
You could have took Silver Bullet.
Because when it dropped, it slowed the whole truck down, and the wheel was just going still 60 miles an hour. And then it wanted to jump between the rails to the other side.
Oh yeah, another thing. Somehow that fucking massive wheel didn't smoke another car. In the middle of a Nashville highway, a wheel just falls off and doesn't hit anybody. That's
And perfectly lands on the side of the road. Oh, you don't want to see the facing of this thing.
I don't want to see it.
You don't want to see it.
JTX, if you're watching, just look away real quick. My shit breaks, like, it snaps all the nuts off of the hub and then the whole hub comes off. I've never snapped an axle shaft clean inside.
That's why I was confused. Okay, it's actually not that bad as I thought.
That's really not that bad. That's completely fixable. Can I get a fucking break with these center caps falling? This is like the fourth one. If there's anything that actually pisses me off about this whole situation, is these fucking center caps. It's not even their fault. Like, this makes sense. This makes sense, like, if flying into a fucking wall, the center caps comes off. But I'm so tired of calling him and being like, I gotta come up there and get another one. Bitches, don't spin.
You know what's funny? I was going through Broadway, and a guy literally stopped me in the middle of the traffic. He's like, can I spin him?
Yeah, we have two options. We could either sell the whole truck as either we could sell it to like a part out or like a rebuild company. They can rebuild it, or we can completely rebuild it ourselves and change everything. You kind of slammed this whole axle down at 60 mile an hour. Now you could just literally replace like this and probably be fine if you like normally drove the truck as like a show truck and didn't beat the crap out of every day. I wouldn't feel comfortable taking this truck, jumping over another truck, all of the above that I like to do with my trucks every single day. I would like to take this lift apart and redo the whole lift. I want to do it anyway. This axle is kind of a single rear wheel axle, and we'd have like 8 inches of spacers on the rear end right now. We could take this opportunity to redo the whole lift, redo the front end, maybe upgrade the generations real quick on this whole front end. It needs fenders anyway. That's the most expensive part. I'm already halfway there.
What I'm surprised about, I thought the spacer has snapped off.
Oh no, spacers are cool, bro. We use red Loctite on them bitches. Them bitches are never coming off. I'm gonna list this for sale, see if we get any bites, and if we don't get any bites, we'll just completely redo the whole truck. Be done with it. It was a cool truck. We got our use out of it. 2018 Ram 3500 with 50,000 miles.
I know what I've got.
The cleanest of the cleanest. $200,000, and I will hand deliver it to you wherever you live, as long as it's not Canada or Alaska or Mexico. That's about it. Have a good night.